sorry, but your words don't apply to this guy.
That's Nine Tails.
The fourth entrusted him with me, and Naruto's befriended me now, and mastered my power too. The fourth Hokage sealed me inside Naruto as a force to help take you down. Go, Naruto. You will not fail.